Imagine having a tech ecosystem where everything just works. Your phone syncs effortlessly with your tablet, your earbuds switch between devices like magic, and your smart clock acts as the brain of your connected home. Welcome to the world of Xiaomi, where devices don't just exist, they connect, communicate, and elevate your daily life. In today's video, we're diving into the Xiaomi 14 smartphone, the Pad 6 Pro tablet, the Redmi Buds 5 earbuds, and the Xiaomi smart clock. Stick around to discover how these four game-changing devices come together to create a seamless tech ecosystem that's more than just the sum of its parts. Let's kick things off with the heart of the ecosystem, the Xiaomi 14 smartphone. This isn't just another phone, it's your personal command center, packed with cutting-edge technology and built to bring all your devices together. The Xiaomi 14 features a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, making multitasking a breeze, whether you're gaming, streaming, or juggling multiple apps at once. And with up to 12 GB of RAM, there's no lag, just smooth performance. The 6.36-inch AMOLED display offers a stunning visual experience with bright colors and deep blacks, perfect for consuming content on the go. And thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate, every interaction feels fluid and responsive, whether you're scrolling through social media, switching between apps, or enjoying an action-packed game. But where the Xiaomi 14 really shines is in its ability to integrate with other Xiaomi devices effortlessly. With MIUI's built-in synchronization, your notifications, photos, and files sync across all your Xiaomi gadgets. For example, take a photo with the Xiaomi 14's 50MP camera, and it's instantly available on your Pad 6 Pro or backed up to your Xiaomi Cloud. This means you're always connected, always updated, and always ready to go. Plus, the Xiaomi 14 features an AI-enhanced camera setup that isn't just about taking pictures, it's about capturing moments in the best quality possible. The 50MP primary lens is paired with advanced AI algorithms to optimize lighting, reduce noise, and highlight the most important details. Low light conditions, no problem. The Xiaomi 14's night mode lets you take stunning photos in the dark without sacrificing quality. So whether you're snapping selfies or shooting cinematic videos, your content is always going to look its best. Now, let's take a closer look at the Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro, a tablet designed not just for entertainment, but for productivity too. With its sleek, lightweight aluminum design, this tablet feels just as premium as any top-tier laptop, making it ideal for both work and play. The 11-inch 2.8K display with a 100 MHz refresh rate provides a visual experience that's hard to beat, whether you're editing videos, drawing with the Xiaomi Smart Pen, or just binge-watching your favorite series. Under the hood, the Pad 6 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which means it's more than capable of handling resource-heavy tasks like video editing, graphic design, or multitasking across several apps. And with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, you won't have to worry about running out of space or slowing down. What really sets the Pad 6 Pro apart, though, is its integration within the Xiaomi ecosystem. Imagine this. You start drafting an email on your Xiaomi 14, and with a quick tap, you continue editing it on the Pad 6 Pro. The seamless handoff between devices means you can easily switch between productivity and entertainment without missing a beat. The Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro also supports accessories like the Smart Pen and keyboard, turning the tablet into a full-fledged productivity powerhouse. It's perfect for students, professionals, or creatives who need a versatile device that adapts to their needs. And thanks to MIUI's multitasking features, you can run multiple apps side by side, making it easier than ever to stay productive on the go. So whether you're catching up on work emails, sketching out your next big idea, or just browsing the web, the Pad 6 Pro offers a seamless experience that connects all your devices. Next up, let's talk about audio, specifically the Redmi Buds 5. These earbuds aren't just about sound, they're about delivering an audio experience that feels immersive and personalized. Equipped with active noise cancellation, the Redmi Buds 5 can block out up to 40 dB of ambient noise, making them perfect for everything from listening to music during a workout to taking a work call in a noisy cafe. The earbuds are fitted with 12mm drivers that produce rich bass and clear treble, ensuring that your music sounds as it was meant to be heard. Now, here's where the magic of the Xiaomi ecosystem comes into play. The Redmi Buds 5 can seamlessly switch between your Xiaomi 14 smartphone and Pad 6 Pro tablet, allowing you to move from one device to another without manually changing the connection. This means you could be watching a video on your tablet, and when a call comes in on your phone, the Buds will automatically switch to your phone so you can answer it. It's the kind of effortless experience that makes using multiple devices feel like using just one. And with a total of up to 38 hours of battery life with the charging case, you don't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of your day. The quick charge feature also gives you up to 2 hours of playback with just a 5-minute charge. Perfect for when you're in a rush. The Redmi Buds 5 are more than just earbuds. They're an extension of your connected lifestyle, keeping you in tune with your world, no matter where you go. Finally, let's explore the Xiaomi Smart Clock, a device that goes beyond telling time. It's the smart hub that brings all your devices together. The Xiaomi Smart Clock features a 4-inch display that not only shows the time, but provides updates on weather, calendar events, and smart home notifications. The clock is powered by AI, allowing it to recognize voice commands, which means you can control your smart lights, adjust your thermostat, or even play music without lifting a finger. But it's not just about smart home control. The Xiaomi Smart Clock acts as a bridge for all your Xiaomi devices. Set a reminder on your Xiaomi 14 and you'll see it pop up on your smart clock, or use the clock to make hands-free calls and send messages. This kind of integration ensures that all your important information is always within reach, no matter which device you're using. The Xiaomi Smart Clock also features built-in Bluetooth speakers, providing crisp audio quality for listening to music, podcasts, or alarms. Whether it's waking up to your favorite playlist or using the clock as a speaker for hands-free calls, the audio quality won't disappoint. It's not just a clock, it's the nerve center of your smart ecosystem, keeping everything in sync and making life more convenient. So there you have it, 4 devices, 1 ecosystem. The Xiaomi 14 smartphone, Pad 6 Pro tablet, Redmi Buds 5, and Smart Clock don't just work well on their own, they truly shine when used together. It's more than just technology, it's a seamless experience that simplifies your life, whether you're working, relaxing, or on the go. If you're ready to step into a smarter way of living, consider building your own Xiaomi ecosystem. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tech content, and drop a comment below to let us know which Xiaomi device you're most excited about. See you in the next one.